What are you guys doing over there? Did you get into the wipes? You look guilty. You look guilty. And Morgan's playing along. Hi! Hi! Big mess? Big mess? Yeah, you agree, Morgan? Morgan's here with Sophie. Are you guys having a play date? Oh, making a mess is fun. What's Sophie doing? Yeah. Sophie, Morgan's watching you. Did you notice? Yeah. She is making a very big mess. That should be in the garbage, right? Should we throw it out? Oh, out? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.